All Everything Knowledge.
Protecting against malware and phishing attacks. Today's lesson is Safeguarding the Digital Realm, Unraveling the Essential Concepts in Cybersecurity.
Safeguarding the Digital Realm, Unraveling the Essential Concepts in Cybersecurity.
1. Importance of cybersecurity.
In an increasingly interconnected world, safeguarding the digital realm has become paramount. Understanding the essential concepts in cybersecurity is the first step towards protecting sensitive information from cyber threats.
From encryption and network security to threat intelligence and secure coding practices, this introduction unravels the intricate layers that underpin a robust cybersecurity framework.
Two, understanding threats and vulnerabilities. To effectively safeguard the digital realm, it is crucial to understand the various threats and vulnerabilities that exist. Cybersecurity threats include malware, phishing attacks, ransomware, social engineering, and insider threats.
Vulnerabilities can arise from outdated software, weak passwords, unsecured networks, and human error. By identifying and addressing these threats and vulnerabilities, organizations can create a stronger defense against potential cyber attacks.
3. Overview of cybersecurity fundamentals. To establish a strong cybersecurity defense, it is necessary to grasp the fundamental concepts. These include network security, which involves protecting the organization's network infrastructure and data transmission. Additionally, data security focuses on safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access or theft. Lastly, application security aims to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities in software and applications. By addressing these core areas, organizations can enhance their overall cybersecurity.
4. Exploring encryption and authentication.
Encryption and authentication are two critical components of cybersecurity. Encryption ensures that data is securely transmitted and stored by converting it into unreadable code that can only be decrypted with the proper key. Authentication, on the other hand, verifies the identity of users and devices to prevent unauthorized access. These concepts work together to strengthen the security of digital systems and protect sensitive information from being compromised.
5. Implementing access controls and firewalls.
Access controls and firewalls are vital components in safeguarding the digital realm. Access controls limit user access to sensitive data and resources, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access them. Firewalls act as a barrier between internal networks and external threats, monitoring and filtering network traffic to prevent unauthorized access and potential attacks. Implementing robust access controls and firewalls is crucial for maintaining the
6. Protecting against malware and phishing attacks.
Protecting against malware and phishing attacks is a critical aspect of cybersecurity. Malware, such as viruses and ransomware, can cause significant damage to systems and compromise sensitive data.
Phishing attacks trick users into divulging personal information through fraudulent emails or websites. By implementing robust antivirus software, regularly updating security patches, and educating users about phishing scams, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these types of cyber threats.
7. Security best practices for data protection. Data protection is a fundamental pillar of cybersecurity. Implementing strong access controls and encryption methods ensures that sensitive data remains secure and protected from unauthorized access. Regular backup and recovery processes also play a vital role in mitigating data loss in the event of a security breach. Additionally, organizations must prioritize employee training and awareness programs to foster a culture of cybersecurity and prevent human error from becoming a vulnerability.
Eight, incident response and disaster recovery. Having a solid incident response and disaster recovery plan is crucial in cybersecurity. It involves implementing processes and strategies to detect, respond, and recover from security incidents effectively. This includes having incident response teams, creating incident response playbooks, conducting regular drills, and establishing backup and restoration procedures. By being prepared for potential cyber attacks or disasters, organizations can minimize the impact and ensure business continuity.
9. Cybersecurity compliance and regulations. Complying with cybersecurity regulations is vital to protect sensitive data and mitigate risks. Organizations must stay updated with evolving regulatory frameworks, such as GDPR and CCPA, and implement necessary controls to ensure data privacy and security. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Taking a proactive approach to cybersecurity compliance is essential in today's digital landscape. 10. Emerging trends in cybersecurity. As technology evolves, so do the threats in the digital realm. Staying abreast of emerging trends in cybersecurity is crucial to protect sensitive data and prevent cybersecurity incidents. From AI-powered threat detection to the rise of cloud security, understanding these trends enables organizations to adopt proactive measures and effectively safeguard the digital assets. Thanks for watching in this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share.